Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. LINK performing quite well at the moment. As I make this video, I still can only see basically 3 waves up of the recent lows. So the situation is basically unchanged. It's just playing out the trend, just following the trend. I think we are sort of in the end game of this third wave here. So the fourth wave is due at some point, but there is zero evidence it has started. And then a fifth wave later should push us even higher, basically forming a higher high. This would be a bullish structure. We always want to see in Elliott wave that a 5-wave move forms, ideally to the upside, because that would then constitute an uptrend, especially if it's followed by a 3-wave pullback. So the problem is, though, that this move up is not an impulse. It's only a diagonal. A diagonal structure is less clear. Diagonals in crypto can be quite aggressive though, and they can look impulsive, but they aren't impulsive. And that means we cannot really trust them because so many rallies in crypto can be corrective, massive gains, and eventually it breaks all down again. So that's just something we need to know about. Therefore, we can never really trust a diagonal until it has really produced 5 waves up and then the 3-wave pullback. And the 3-wave pullback would be the next reliable trade setup, long trade setup. On the way there, however, doesn't mean you have to wait until we get all these 5 waves up and 3 waves down. No, we had already a support zone or trend reversal area that was basically a setup on the chart a few days ago, which was this one, which the price touched a couple of times. And then this rally occurred from there. So it was basically the jump off point, our setup to trade the 5th wave of C of 3. 5th waves in crypto, especially when it's bullish, a bullish market environment, then a 5th wave can be very much extend. And it's doing that. And at some point now, we just need to be watching for the 4th wave pullback and then another wave 5. So basically what we had here in small, that will be this wave 4 here, just in a little bit larger. This box is a little larger because we're dealing overall with the diagonal. And I have to allow it to come down to the 61.8 retracement level. But the thing is, this would be deeper than ideal. So I don't actually expect it to go down to $8.25. It should ideally stay above the 50% retracement level, which is $9.22. So the support levels will be $11.83, $10.31, and $9.23. So ideally not below that, or I will get concerns that this might start to break down. The first fib level at $11.80 is also in line with the key fib retracement that we discussed over the last few videos, which also slowed the price down a little bit. Again, we're basically based on this assessment in the 5th wave of a C wave, so very much towards the end of this, but you know that in cryptos they can always extend further. The micro support level against which we can focus more directly on higher, basically micro support, remains to be this one at 12.56. So as long as the 12.56 level is holding, this 5th wave can extend. Below 12.56, I will assume that the 4th wave pullback has started. Circle wave 4. And what are the next levels to watch? Well, there's an obvious one, which is the $18 level, or just above that, sort of more like $18.20, this previous swing high that was made in April 22. And also there are some Fibonacci extension levels that we could watch. For example, the 3rd wave target is already reached anyway. But the next fib extension that I have here on the chart is the, let me just double check that. Needs to be a bit more accurate here. So it's sort of just below $17, the 200% extension. Actually, there's also the 1.786 extension level. We have reached that with basically at $15. Yeah. So this is all possible in a 3rd wave. If it extends further, we're dealing with $17 before the 4th wave pullback starts. Yeah, that's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.